We love Long Island Sound. It's part of what defines our Long Island life. Fishing, crabbing, kayaking, boating, family beach days, or just enjoying the scenic views are all activities that improve our quality of life. Unfortunately, high bacteria and excessive nutrients have been detected in Long Island Sound, affecting our ability to enjoy these important activities.
For the past 4 years, the town of Huntington has worked with the Citizens Campaign for the Environment, scientists, local yacht clubs, and residents to clean up the pollution in Centerport Harbor. We have made great strides with measures such as putting filters on storm drains and upgrading sewer systems. Now, we are about to begin another exciting project that we hope will become a model for beaches here in the town and elsewhere.
A major contributor to our poor water quality is polluted stormwater. Rainwater runs off the pavement, picking up pollutants from the land, including pet waste, motor oil, pesticides, and fertilizer, and carries these contaminants directly into our bays and our harbors.
This is a real problem at Centerport Beach, which is located at the bottom of a big hill. The rainwater runs down the hill, through a residential neighborhood, and the beach parking lot before getting into Centerport Harbor.
Using green infrastructure, the Centerport Rain Garden will capture 80% of the stormwater from the entire area and treat it to remove bacteria and excessive nutrients before the stormwater flows into our harbor. Green infrastructure is an approach to water management that protects, restores, or mimics the natural water cycle. The Centerport Rain Garden removes 6,700 square feet of concrete and replaces it with natural vegetation, bioswales, and permeable pavement. This will not only help reduce polluted runoff to the harbor, but will also reduce flooding and help recharge our underground aquifer.